아메리카게 CIA 그 루파 체니 롤라 마가 또 버리
the Tibet, the homeland that they were fighting for, which was suffering under the oppression of the Chinese. And I assure you that the men we trained here were very, very hateful of the Chinese and for what they have done to the Tibetan people. But let me digress for a moment and tell you about, we trained approximately maybe close to 300 people here, 300 Tibetan freedom fighters. And each of them was instilled with a lot of energy. They were easy to train, and they were excellent marksmen. Excellent marksmen. The only trouble with the situation was the Tibetans that we sent back to Tibet to fight the Chinese. We tried to instill in them the fact that they should kind of hit and run. In other words, just terrorize the Chinese. But the Tibetan freedom fighters that we trained here hated the Chinese so much that once they were locked in battle, it was a question of either them or us. So they didn't hit and run. They committed themselves entirely. And as a result, they were literally pushed out of Tibet and into the Mustang area then finally. But anyway, I digress. So let me tell you a little bit about what we did here. Up in this valley here, over to my left, it was a restricted area. It was a CIA operation, and it was we had people that we would take the Tibetans in from Tibet or by way of airplane to Peterson Field, and then which is down in Colorado Springs, and we would take them by bus up here to Tumra, okay, and we would train them. We would probably train them for anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the international situation, and we would train them in firearms. We would train them in sabotage. We would train them in explosives. We would train them in all sorts of demolition type training. And they were successful when they went back. And I must tell you about this too. This is a funny story. We never
That is